Let's make the Rum Walnut Alexander from Far North Spirits. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Rum Walnut Alexander from Far North Spirits. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. The Rum Walnut Alexander is a variant on the Rum Alexander. I do have a video for the Rum Alexander here on the channel. Feel free to look at the link down below if you want to know more about its history. The Rum Walnut Alexander swaps out the chocolate or the chocolate liqueur or the creme de cacao in favor of a walnut liqueur. This Rum Walnut Alexander was created specifically for Far North Spirits by Eunice Choi to feature their Alander spiced rum. If you want to make a Rum Walnut Alexander with another rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Far North Spirits Rum Walnut Alexander. A note on the walnut liqueur. In the recipe, they do call out Nocino walnut liqueur. At the time, I could not find it. The liquor stores that I talked to couldn't get it through the distributors. So I ended up getting something that they could get, Nocello. And it wasn't until it was far too late that I realized this is not a walnut liqueur, it's a walnut imitation liqueur. And it had a little walnut on top of the cork, which broke off very quickly after getting this bottle. If you can get Nocino, use Nocino. If you can't get Nocino, get what you can get and use that instead. To make this drink, we're going to start with our heavy cream. 1 ounce of heavy cream is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of Demerara simple syrup, and I do have a recipe for simple syrups here on the channel. I will link that down below if you want to check that out. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And this is a 1-to-1 syrup. 1 ounce of your walnut liqueur, or your walnut imitation liqueur. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 2 ounces of your Alander spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this into my glass, which is a coupe. And it's going to fill it almost right to the lip. And garnish. Garnish our shavings of chocolate shavings. I've not had a lot of luck with this. Wish me luck. I'm not going to have a lot of luck with it. Oh, I'm getting some. And that's not too bad. Getting them everywhere. Hopefully I don't put some thumb in there too. Good enough. And there you have it. The Far North Spirits Rum Walnut Alexander. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Have you ever made a Rum Alexander and swapped out the liqueur? If so, what did you use? Let me know. Note that there are ways to support the spirits if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. I'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, do those sorts of things on those social media links. And finally, if you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out anything that I do. And until next time,